Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Twinkle and I hope you subscribe to my channel below. So today's video, as you already know by the title, is about the summer skincare routine. Now this summer face pack is super duper easy. This is a DIY and is used for all skin types, for dry skin, sensitive skin, or be an acne prone skin. So yeah, without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
So firstly, I've changed my top, as you can see, because if there was an award for the messiest person in the world, it would have gone to me. So yeah, even if you want to be on the safer side, just cover your top with some towel or something like that, or just wear a top that you would not regret spoiling. So now let's jump into the first step.
So before this step, make sure your hands are completely clean. For now, for cleansing, you can use any face wash that you use or the ones that have been suggested by your dermats. Basically the ones that you're using on a regular basis. Wet your fingertips. Tips.
And then we'll clean your face. Make sure to cleanse your face for around 20 to 30 seconds because this is very important. This helps in exfoliating your skin as well as removing all the dirt. So, yeah. Make sure you massage the part of your hair because that's where there are a lot of dirt. So, it's done now. I'll just, so now you can wash your face. Here I'm taking a wet towel.
Now after doing this, just pat dry your face, don't rub it. And that's it for the first step. So let's move on to the second step. So for toner, I'm using this Gulabari Double Gulabari Rose Water. You can use any toner, any rose water that you have it in your home. And we require one cotton pad. For cotton pad, if you don't have any cotton pad, you can also take a simple cotton. I am using this Momozo's cotton pad. Guys, if you want to deciding to buy a cotton pad, make sure you go to Momozo and buy this pack. This
is like for 250 and it gives you 240 pieces. I bought this last year and it still has this much left. Now you can see this much left.
So now one cotton pad may we'll put around 2 to 3 drops of double water, and you don't have to rub it, just dab it on your skin.
Guys, if you want to know how to make homemade toner, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a video soon on that.
This was all. So let's go to the third step.
Now the third step is the very important step. You have to be very patient because if even you apply this face pack every day or even twice a week, this can do wonders, and trust me, it does. This helps you remove your tan lines, bring the glow in your face. So yeah, quickly let's see how it's gonna be.
So firstly, we'll add 1 tablespoon of besan, half pinch of haldi,
Wait a minute! Who are you?
a pinch of haldi. Make sure you don't use too much of haldi because though it has a lot of benefits, it also gets worse if you use too much of it. It leaves a stain when you remove the mask. So make sure you do not use too much of haldi. Once you are done, we'll add half teaspoon of honey.
I'm using this honey. You can use any honey that you have it in your home. So for this, we'll add just this much is okay.
Now we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of
yogurt. Now this depends upon the consistency. If it's too thick, you can add more of yogurt into it. But if it is, don't make it too thin because then it will be very difficult to apply it on your face. So I'll put 2 tablespoons for now.
1 vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule can do wonders, guys. This is like a very amazing thing.
This can also be used as a night cream. So if you want to apply it on a regular basis, you can just you take a moisturizer on your palm and apply and put one capsule into it and apply it in your face. This can help in anti-aging as well as it gives you a moisturizer look. So just prick it, just now.
Now after applying this, we'll put 2 to 3 drops of lemon. Now lemon is basically for those who have acne prone skin or who have acne marks, so you can skip this step if you have a clear skin as well. Now we'll put 2 to 3 drops of gulab jal. Now this, guys, is completely optional again, because we have already used this as a toner, but I am adding it. I like to add it because it gives an amazing fragrance. So if you want to add it, you can, or else you can just simply skip it.
Make sure you do not use too much of this, because then the consistency also gets thin. This is the correct consistency. Don't make it more thin, because then it will be very difficult to apply on your face.
Now my face pack is ready, guys. So if you want to use your hands, you can do that, or else you can take a brush like this, flat brushes, where you apply your face packs with.
So yeah, it's completely on you. It's on your comfort level. Whatever you want to use, you can use your hands as well as brush. So let's apply this. Make sure this is the consistency. Make sure you apply evenly on your face and do not leave any blank spaces in between.
For the people who have acne prone skin, do not leave the acne part empty. Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Avoid your eyes and lips. Applying with the brushes. Make It's done, guys. So if you want to apply the leftovers, you can apply it all over your hand. It actually removes your tan. So anywhere your skin is exposed to sunlight, you can directly apply it to there, or in your knees, in your knuckles, anywhere you want to apply, you can apply it, because it will do benefit, it won't worsen up. So yeah, you can apply this entire face. Make sure you do this evenly and do not mess it up the way I have done it. So after applying the face pack, once you're done applying your face pack, we'll keep for 15 minutes and let it dry.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so 15 minutes was up. I washed my face. My face feels so good now. So once you feel your face pack is dried up and your skin is tightened, you can wash off with some water by moving in circular motions. If by chance you think that there's a stain of turmeric left on your face, if by chance you've put a lot of turmeric in the pack, don't worry about it. Just use any mild face wash and clean your face again. It will go. So let's move on to the fourth step.
Now we've come up to the last step. So this step is also very important to keep your skin hydrated. So we'll require a moisturizer. Here I'm using Oriflame's Diamond Decolor Anti-Aging Cream. You can use any moisturizer that you use. So we'll take a small amount of it. We don't need that much because you already use a lot of products which moisturize your skin, but for a long time hydration you need to apply a moisturizer. So we'll take this much. Guys, apply it in upward direction. Never apply anything on your face in downward direction, because that becomes more prone to wrinkles and aging. So whenever you're applying anything, be it face wash or toner or a moisturizer, make sure you do it in upward direction. Apply it all over your face evenly and gently. Don't forget your lower eye part.
So we are done with today's video. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!